So we designed a flow for automation. For example, if this will happen, then we can run this. If this will happen, then you can run this. So this is how we create a complete flow, and we run the flow on a particular time on a particular action. So when we can run this kind of flow, so for example, you can run action based. It means that when something will happen, in result you want to execute your process. You can also have the instant flow. It means that you will have a button, you will click on that button and your flow will run. Also on scheduled time, like you can schedule for a particular day or a particular time or multiple times in a day. So on a scheduled time, your flow will run. And fourth is desktop flow. It means that you can open a software, no matter which software you are using, type your username and password, and then you can uh, do something in your software. And that is what your flow will do. Once you will log in your system and start your flow, it will do everything whatever you did after starting that flow. For example, if you started a desktop application, logged in using your username and password, it will record everything and it will run the software. Enter username and password, whatever you entered, and after that, it will run the software the way you ran last time. And this is what called desktop flow. So all these kind of flow you can create in your business.